guys, Dr. Michelle here, and I wanted to share my herb order that I just received. This is some of my own herbs that I take daily. I've shared with my patients. I'm usually taking probably at least 5 to 6 herbal formulas daily, but that can change depending on what I'm needing for that particular day or week or what I'm up to in life. But some of my daily, regular maintenance herbs that I take, herbal formulas, I should say, which I do prescribe. So some of those are on my website at www.designtoheal.biz. And I'll have that in the description. You can go to my website and go to shop and herbs specifically if you want to look at the herbs. Not all of my herbal formulas are there. I do prescribe individually with classical formulas depending on what we're treating, and more modern collection formulas. And then we can also prescribe just a single herb, such as shangjia for high cholesterol. You can sip it as a tea. It's a fruit. So I'm probably not saying the Chinese word right. Okay, I've just pulled out my herbal formulas. Now, again, this isn't everything that I take daily, but it is some of my common ones that I take for my own things, my own ailments, but now I don't have the ailments because I get treated regularly and I take my herbs. So neck and shoulder chronic is one of my top ones, and this is one that I use now just as a maintenance dose because I used to have severe neck and shoulder pain with spinal stenosis, herniated disc, degenerative, that's a hard word to say today, disc, aging. So, and then being a dancer and balancing things on my head probably did not help my cervical spine. So neck and shoulder is a great one for my just chronic. In the beginning, just like I tell my patients, you're going to want to be having a higher dose, which I will guide you through all of that. And then as time goes on, we monitor the dose and adjust accordingly. So now I typically take probably 2 to 4 capsules. This is capsules. It does also come in powder. I take probably 2 to 4 capsules daily just for maintenance. Prior to that, when I first started these years ago, I was doing 6 capsules, I think twice a day, and within a few days I had no neck and shoulder pain. I'm not kidding you. So great testimony. I'm a great testimonial for this one. So let's see, what else did I get in my order? I also got my Herbalite, which is part of one that I am a cheerleader for weight management, food control, food addiction, sugar addiction, helping to absorb fats, break down fats, speed up metabolism, decrease cravings, all sorts of wonderful things. And I talk about this one on my weight loss series, so please go to that. To the weight loss series, I have a specific, I think there's 10 different videos, specific one on this herb formula that I talk about. So Herbalite, I love to take this one because it helps me maintain balance and control around my diet, what I'm eating throughout the day. Also helps me with sugar cravings, so I'm leading towards, my more natural, healthy vegan treats, which I am going to be putting some videos up soon. So tap that bell twice and you'll be notified of my up and coming videos. Also, please remember to subscribe and like the video if you like it. But got lots of fun ones between Princess Annabelle and myself. Lots of yummy videos coming up. So the Herbalite also is going to help promote healthy digestion and, like I said, metabolism, fat breakdown, etc. So this is a wonderful one for weight loss, weight management patients, or just people who want to have a balanced eating. So I take that, I think, twice a day throughout the day, and I just kind of balance that throughout probably day and evening because I tend to be a nighttime muncher. So I try to, usually I start taking that throughout the day and then to the evening. So one of my other ones, I've just got 3 because I ordered a whole bunch of each one. They did say the prices may be going up since these herbs are coming from China. This company that I use, though, is wonderful. They're from LA. They do about 15 different quality testings. And I'm pretty sure I have a video in my Oriental Medicine playlist on herbs. And you can watch that, and it will tell you about the company that I use. But very highly quality tested, so you know that you're getting the herbs well, that are not full of heavy metals, toxins. Sometimes they'll even add in Western medications to some herbal formulas. Not this company, but if you just randomly order herbs off a website or, off the internet or something in a store, you never really know what you're getting unless you've researched the product. So I have been using this product, this company, since I've been in my medical practice. These are all prescription. So again, I do have some of these in the store on my website. If you want to do an herbal consult, reach out, email me at michelle@designtoheal.biz. We can set up an herbal consult and figure out what herbal formulas are best for you. I usually have my patients prioritize their health needs, number 1, going down the list. And then we can, start out with 2, 3 herbal formulas. We could start out with 1, whatever the patient's comfortable with. We just want to make sure, though, that you're being compliant, meaning that you're doing your dosing, taking your medication daily, your herb plant medicine daily, and that we're monitoring the dosing and the formulas that we're taking. So this is my grand finale today. This is one that I've also been taking for years. I recommend this to all my women out there for bone health with osteopenia, even prior to osteopenia, to prevent osteopenia and osteoporosis. I take this, and I've actually reversed my osteopenia with my bone program. So if you want to find out what that is, email me, reach out to me. We'll set up a consult, and then we can get the bones back into shape. But I have reversed my osteopenia, and this is one of the herbal formulas I use to do that. This is called Osteo 8. This is another formula that I've taken many times. I'm taking it daily, but I bump up the dose when I have had fractures. And if you guys have followed me along the way, you know that I have had foot fractures. I've got some videos in my Oriental Medicine playlist doing acupuncture on my feet. So this is a wonderful herbal formula for building back the bone density, bone strength, mending a fracture. Like I said, it's helped me. I even fractured my ribs one time when I fell down from running, and I started bumping up the dose, and I could literally feel my rib cage healing and the pain going away immediately. So I have really great results with these herbs and herb formulas. So I highly recommend, if you can, reach out to me. We can taper off the Western medicine over the counter, some of the prescriptions. Obviously, want you to let your doctor know. I work very closely with you and or your doctor if you want to, but we can actually taper you off some Western medications if you want to go more the plant medicine route, where the medication the plant has not been synthesized into chemical medications. These can be wonderful, wonderful replacements for many things, and with little to no side effects. Maybe a stomach ache if we've got you on too high of a dose. So just wanted to share some of my herbal favorites, and I'll show them to you again. Reach out if you'd like to do an herbal consult, or if you'd just like to place an order, you already know what you want to do. Feel free to watch some of the videos, like I said, that I already have on my channel under Oriental Medicine playlist, and the Herbalite is in the weight loss series. So Okay, guys, cheers to wellness, wealthy wellness. I'm here to help you, so reach out, okay? And I'll see you soon. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell twice, and then you'll know when we're putting up our next videos. But we're cranking out a lot. I have a lot of videos I want to do and a lot of sharing that I want to do, and so does Princess Annabelle. So we'll see you soon. Ciao.